Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1970 Chevrolet Camaro RS. It does have the factory split bumper. Neat car, guys. Healthy LS5, 454 underneath the hood with a nice cam to it. Pretty color combination. This is Hugger Orange, and then they've redone it in the black and white Hounds Tooth interior. Good looking car. We actually took this car in on trade. The gentleman that we got it from, he didn't have a ton of information on it. He said he really didn't do anything to it. He just drove it and enjoyed it. Figured it was about a 12-year-old restoration. And it really shows a little, there's some touch-up marks and some things like that on it. But nice car, man. Sits good, really goes down the road nice. I'm pretty excited. It's dried out enough here that we're actually going to run this car down the road. You can see it's got the cowl hood on the front. 17-inch American Racing torque thrust all the way around it, and just a good looking car. Love the cowl hood. Again, as we go around it, you're going to see some little touch-up marks, some little things. There's some little blemishes that you can pick at, but still pretty darn nice car. It's got the updated headlights on it. Again, it's got the split bumper front end, front and rear spoilers. Nice cowl hood on it. Again, front windshield's been changed. The rest is the factory soft gray glass. I'll tell you what, whoever painted this car did a nice job. This car has slick Hugger Orange paint on it. Again, it's an older paint and it's got plenty of shine. It's nice and flat. I mean, they did a nice job on this car. Of course, it's got the blacked out rear for the big block. I'm sure it is not a factory big block car. Nice and straight. You see the car's nice and flat down the sides. Nitto rubber all the way around it. Again, 17-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels. It's got great sounded Flowmaster, no, I'm sorry, not flows. This doesn't have flows on it. I can't remember what the exhaust is. Oh, it's got an X-pipe on it. X-pipe dual exhaust. It's got great sound, and it hits. The engine in this thing really sounds good. Again, Nitto rubber, American Racing torque thrust 2 wheels. It's got the dual sport mirrors. Of course, front disc brakes. Slick paint. Again, it's got a 72 date coated CRW LS5 454 underneath the hood here. Nice cam to it. Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock aluminum intake. Nice set of ceramic headers. Power steering, power disc brakes. It's got the upgraded ignition on it. 400 turbohydramatic trans. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. Chrome air cleaner. It's got the billet valve covers. Yeah, this paint's nice. Dual sport mirrors. I know that's a remote and it does work. Door handles look good. They've redone all this interior. Door seams are nice and clean. I'm a Hounds Tooth guy. I love it, and I love what they've done here. It's got power locks, but they're not hooked up. Remote mirror does work. Love what they've done with the seats. Bucket seats, center console. It's got a tilt column with a billet and carbon fiber steering wheel, which is pretty cool. We put the factory staple shifter back in it. It had a one of those B&M ratchets. Not a fan. 67,000, supposed to be the right miles on the car. Gauges are nice and clean. I think the tach was not working, but I think that's not going to work with that ignition that's in there. Aftermarket gauges there, Sony radio, dash is nice. As far as the miles, I don't know how many miles are on the restoration. Like I said, we put the factory staple shifter back in there. All that stuff's brand new. 10 bolt, 373 limited slip rear axle. Man, the trunk, it is all spackled in here like it's supposed to be. Nice car, really nice car. If you're looking for something with, you know, some horsepower and some fun, it's not going to break the bank. I think you're really going to like this car. It's clean underneath. As always, photos of all our cars on our website. Photos of the bottoms of all the cars. We're really encouraging people to call us right now. If you see something that you're looking at Southern Motors, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Seats are nice. They've definitely been all repadded, refoamed. Dash is really nice, nice and clean up there. And it really hits the road good, guys. Get a nice little cam to it. Car's got great sound. Hear that cam working. Car hits good. No on attack. Fuel gauge works. I think all the rest of the gauges are down there, and they do work. You see it's holding good oil pressure. Everything opens and closes nice. Got great sound. Radio works. Blower motor work, Nathan? Yep, does work, guys. Wipers are functional. Yeah, it's got the updated headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.